A currency trader watches monitors at the foreign exchange dealing room of the Keb Hana Bank headquarters in Seoul, South Korea, Tuesday, September 4, 2018. Asian shares are mostly lower as the lack of new leads following a U.S. market holiday meant that trade worries and slowing Chinese manufacturing activity stayed in the spotlight. AP photo, on Young June, Singapore, AP, global shares mostly fell Tuesday as trade concerns and reports that manufacturing was slowing in China and the Eurozone weighed on sentiment. Wall Street was poised for a quiet open as traders returned from summer holidays and a Labor Day break. Keeping score, in Europe, France's CAC 40 dropped 1.7% to 5,324 and Germany's DAX shed 1.4% to 12,173. The FTSE 100 index of leading British shares was down 0.6% at 7,459. U.S. indexes were set for a weak open. Dow futures shed 0.3% and the broader S. Asia stay, Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 lost 0.1% to 22,696.90, while the Kospi in South Korea gained 0.4% to 2,315.72. Hong Kong's Hang Seng added 0.9% to 27,973.34. The Shanghai Composite Index jumped 1.1% to 2,750.58. Australia's trade concerns. On Saturday, President Donald Trump warned that Canada will be out of a revised North American trade agreement unless it's fair to the United States. Talks to keep Canada in the trade bloc are to resume Wednesday as Washington and Ottawa try to break a deadlock over issues such as Canada's dairy market and U.S. efforts to shield drug companies from generic competition. The two countries will continue to engage in trade talks, despite missing a deadline set by the Trump administration. A U.S.-Mexico deal sealed last Monday excluded Canada. Manufacturing weakens. A private survey showed manufacturing activity in China slowed to a 14-month low in August. Cakes and manufacturing PMI, which measures growth in the sector, came in at 50.6, slightly lower than 50.8 in July. The index is on a 100-point scale, with 50 separating contraction from growth. Separately, manufacturing in the 19-country Eurozone softened after hitting a 2-month high. IHS Markit's Eurozone Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index was 54.6 in August, down from 55.1 in July. Analysts take, investors are resetting their risk-taking appetite in September, said Selena Ling, chief economist at OCBC Bank. Energy, benchmark U.S. Crude added $1.34 to $71.14 a barrel on Tuesday. It had lost 0.6% to settle at $69.80 a barrel in New York. Brent crude, used to price international oils, gained $1.18 to $79.33 a barrel. Currencies, the dollar rose to 111 yen and 22 cents from 111 yen and 8 cents. The euro fell to $1.1561 from $1.1619. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.